to remove someone from shared list on TikTok. So if you want to remove someone from shared list on your TikTok, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your TikTok application. After opening your TikTok, you need to just simply go with share button, which will be on the bottom. And if you tap on the share, then as you can see that in my case, I don't have many people right here. But if you have a lot of people and if you want to remove someone from your share list, then you need to just simply select the profile of that person to whom you would like to remove from your share list. Like for example, I'll go with this one. Once you've selected the profile, you need to just simply go with block. You can just simply block the user. This will prevent them from appearing in your share list. And if you don't want to block the person, you can simply unfollow the user. So if you're following that user, you need to just simply go and unfollow it. And after unfollowing the user, the person will no longer appear in your share list. However, if you've tried both of them and the person is still appearing in your share list, then you can simply clear the cache or reinstall the application, because this can refresh the app's data and potentially remove unwanted users from your shared list. So to remove the app's cache, you need to tap and hold on to your TikTok and then go with the app info. Under the app info, you need to go with storage and cache and then go with clear cache, which will be on the right side. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.